Today we're going to make some bird feeders. We're going to need some wood. And some tools. A drill. And a saw. Let's go. Let's measure up and cut a few pieces out. That's where we're going to start. We put it in the vise to keep it nice and solid. There we go. First piece cut. We need some more of them, so let's go. This is what one of them is going to look like. We're going to use this drill press to drill the hole.
Use the other hand as well, because you're going to need to turn the lever more than that.
One done, one to go. Let's do this one then.
Gently.
Put some glue in, let's put some screws in to hold this.
Lean on it.
Alright, so now we're going to put like a little wall so the nuts for the birds don't fall out. Dad cut out some of these bits of wood so we could put them on there, and if they're at a slight angle, so the birds can just come in and stand on there and eat the nuts without it falling out. And let's just finish this off. All finished. We got the fences in to keep the nuts in, and these two screws there to go and attach it to a post in the garden. Let's go. We're going to pop it on top of this fence post, and Dad's going to screw it in.
Who's that, Milo?
That's good. Here are some other ones we made earlier. A log cabin, a townhouse, and a bungalow to complete our bird village. I really hope you enjoyed our first YouTube video on our Macklen Makes YouTube channel. Please hit the like and subscribe button down below. Finally, keep an eye out for some more Macklen Makes videos in the near future.